Doctors hate this leaf. Guava leaf tea is crushing diseases you thought were unbeatable. Forget what you know about health. Today, we're revealing nature's secret weapon hiding in plain sight. This isn't clickbait, it's real science, and the results are wild. We've got 9 diseases this humble leaf destroys, and we'll show you how to use it at home for pennies. Stick around. Number 9 will blow your mind and has celebrities in a panic. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's get into it. Number 1. Diabetes. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and its impact is growing every year. Diabetes isn't just about high blood sugar, it's about the daily struggle, the constant monitoring, and the worry about long-term health complications. Millions rely on pills and injections, carefully tracking every meal and every dose. For many, it feels like a never-ending cycle of medication and finger pricks, just to keep their blood sugar in check. But what if there was a simple, natural way to help manage blood sugar? Guava leaf tea is emerging as a powerful ally. This humble tea, made from the leaves of the guava plant, has been shown to slash blood sugar levels without the side effects of many medications. Studies back it up. Unique compounds in the leaves block enzymes that turn carbs into sugar. These natural chemicals, like quercetin and other antioxidants, work at the source, slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive system. Drink this tea with meals, and you're putting up a roadblock. Less sugar hits your bloodstream. That means fewer spikes, less stress on your pancreas, and a smoother ride for your energy levels throughout the day. It's a natural way to keep glucose from spiking after you eat. Instead of the roller coaster highs and lows, you get steady, balanced energy, and your body gets a break from the constant sugar overload. In Japan, it's even approved for health use. Doctors there recommend it as part of a healthy lifestyle, and it's become a trusted tool for people looking to manage their blood sugar naturally. The tea slows sugar absorption, giving your body time to handle glucose safely. This means your insulin response isn't overwhelmed, and your cells can use the sugar more efficiently. Just 1 cup with meals can make a real difference. It's a small habit that can lead to big changes in your health over time. It's cheap, easy, and can help you take control of your blood sugar. No fancy equipment, no complicated recipes, just a handful of leaves and hot water. This isn't a fad, it's ancient wisdom meeting modern science. For centuries, traditional healers have used guava leaves for their healing properties, and now research is catching up, confirming what they always knew. If you or someone you know struggles with blood sugar, don't ignore this. It's a simple step that could make managing diabetes easier and bring peace of mind to you and your loved ones. Guava leaf tea is a heavyweight contender against diabetes. It's not just for the elderly or those already diagnosed. Anyone looking to support healthy blood sugar can benefit, and we're just getting started. There's a whole world of natural solutions out there, and guava leaf tea is only the beginning of what's possible for your health. Number 2. High cholesterol, the silent killer. Guava leaves attack bad cholesterol with powerful antioxidants like quercetin. These compounds prevent LDL from oxidizing and sticking to artery walls. Studies show guava leaf tea lowers total cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while boosting good HDL. It's like a smart bomb for your heart, targeting only the bad stuff. Instead of relying on drugs with side effects, sip a natural earthy tea. You're protecting your arteries at the source, not just masking symptoms. Add guava leaf tea to your routine for a simple, effective heart health boost. It's proactive, affordable, and science-backed. Guava leaf tea is a cardiovascular champion. Number 3. Diarrhea. Nobody likes it, but guava leaf tea stops it fast. The secret? Tannins, powerful astringents that tighten your intestinal lining and reduce water loss. It's like a soothing hug for your gut. Plus, guava leaves have antimicrobial powers, fighting off the bacteria that cause stomach trouble. You're not just treating symptoms, you're fighting the cause. Relief is quick tannins firm things up, while antimicrobials battle germs. Forget chalky medicines. This is a natural, time-tested solution, used worldwide for centuries, now backed by science. Next time your stomach rebels, brew a strong cup and recover fast. It's a must-have for your home or travel kit. Fast, effective, and actually solves the problem. That's a win. Number 4. Dengue fever. This mosquito-borne illness can drop your platelet count dangerously low. Guava leaves boost platelets fast. Clinical studies show real results. The secret is quercetin, which stimulates your bone marrow to make more platelets. It's not a cure, but it helps stabilize platelet levels, giving your body a fighting chance. In places where dengue is common, this simple plant is a game changer. Doctors are impressed, and the evidence is growing. It's a perfect example of traditional wisdom meeting modern medicine. Guava leaf tea offers hope and support in the fight against dengue. Sometimes nature really does have the answer. Number 5. Weight loss. If you're tired of endless fad diets and quick fixes that never seem to work, it's time to try something different. Guava leaf tea isn't just another trend. It's a natural, science-backed way to help you shed those stubborn pounds and feel great while doing it. Here's how it works. Guava leaf tea contains unique compounds that actually block carbohydrates from turning into sugar in your body. That means when you eat carbs, your body can't easily convert them into fat for storage. Instead, you get to enjoy your favorite foods with less guilt. knowing you're not feeding your fat cells. This is a true metabolic hack. By cutting off the supply to your fat cells, you're helping your body burn existing fat for energy. Over time, this can lead to visible changes, like a slimmer waistline and a more toned appearance. Imagine seeing those numbers on the scale finally start to drop, and your clothes fitting better every week. But that's not all. Guava leaf tea also helps crush those annoying cravings by stabilizing your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar is steady, you're far less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or binge on sweets. It's like having a built-in defense against temptation, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. Plus, guava leaf tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess water and reduce bloating. You'll feel lighter, more comfortable, and more confident in your own skin. No more feeling weighed down or sluggish, just a refreshing sense of lightness every day. And here's the best part. Guava leaf tea is completely calorie-free and guilt-free. You can drink as much as you want, whenever you want, without worrying about adding extra calories to your day. It's a delicious, soothing ritual that supports your weight loss journey. Try swapping out sugary sodas, juices, or energy drinks for a cup of guava leaf tea. Not only will you cut out empty calories and sugar, but you'll also amplify your weight loss efforts with every sip. It's a simple swap that can make a huge difference over time. Remember, this isn't magic, it's just smart science, harnessed straight from nature. Guava leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern research is proving what ancient cultures already knew. These leaves are packed with powerful benefits for your body. So whether you're hitting the gym, going for a walk, or just trying to make healthier choices, guava leaf tea can help you burn fat, control hunger, and feel better in your own skin. It's the perfect companion for any weight loss plan. Best of all, making guava leaf tea is incredibly easy. Just steep a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves in hot water, and you're ready to go. No complicated recipes or expensive supplements, just pure, natural goodness you can enjoy at home. So why not work smarter, not harder, on your weight loss journey? Add guava leaf tea to your daily routine and watch the transformation happen. It's a small change that can lead to big results. Guava leaf tea is your secret weapon. Cheers to a healthier, lighter you. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Not a cure, but the science is fascinating. Guava leaves are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes cell-damaging free radicals. They also contain quercetin and vitamin C, both with anti-cancer properties. Lab studies show guava leaf extract can slow the growth of cancer cells, including prostate, breast, and oral cancers. It's like telling cancer cells to stop multiplying. This is cutting-edge nutritional science, not just folklore. Flood your system with protective compounds every day. Build a stronger, more resilient you from the inside out. Drinking guava leaf tea is a smart move for long-term health. Protect your healthy cells and fortify your body's defenses. Simple, natural, and powerful. And Number 7. Toothache relief. That throbbing pain? Guava leaves numb it and kill bacteria. The leaves have anti-inflammatory powers, easing pain like natural ibuprofen. They're also antibacterial, fighting the germs that cause cavities and gum disease. Chew fresh leaves or use a strong tea as a mouthwash for fast relief. The juice numbs pain and reduces swelling. It's a natural oral hygiene booster. Not a replacement for the dentist, but a lifesaver until you get there. Fast, effective, and completely natural. Keep this trick handy for emergencies. Fight pain and infection at the source. Guava leaves, your new dental secret. Number 8. Colds and flu. Guava leaf tea is your immune system's best friend. It's loaded with vitamin C, way more than oranges. Vitamin C boosts white blood cells, your body's virus fighters. The tea's antiviral compounds stop viruses from replicating. It's like throwing a wrench in the virus's copy machine. Plus, it loosens mucus and soothes sore throats. Drink it all winter to keep your immune system primed. If you feel a cold coming, double down for faster recovery. Forget chemical syrups. This is natural, delicious, and effective. Boost immunity, fight viruses, and soothe symptoms. Stay one step ahead of cold and flu season. One more benefit to go. Number 9. Acne and skin health. Are you tired of waking up to new breakouts or feeling self-conscious about your skin every time you look in the mirror? If you're searching for a natural, effective way to achieve flawless skin, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets to a clear, radiant complexion. No harsh chemicals required. Guava leaves are a hidden gem in the world of skincare. These vibrant green leaves have been used for centuries in traditional remedies, and now, modern science is catching up. They don't just help with acne, they can transform your skin, leaving it glowing, smooth, and healthy. The magic lies in their powerful natural compounds. Guava leaves are packed with antibacterial agents that target acne-causing bacteria right at the source. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin, reducing redness, swelling, and the discomfort that comes with breakouts. Imagine your skin calming down, blemishes fading, and your confidence returning. It's easy to harness their benefits at home. Simply crush fresh guava leaves into a smooth paste and apply it as a mask. This simple ritual can help unclog pores, draw out impurities, and leave your skin feeling refreshed and renewed. Prefer a lighter touch? Brew a strong guava leaf tea and use it as a toner. Just soak a cotton pad and gently sweep it over your face. This natural toner helps balance oil, tighten pores, and keep your skin looking its best. But that's not all. Guava leaves are loaded with antioxidants. These powerful molecules fight the signs of aging by neutralizing free radicals, tightening your skin, and improving its texture. Over time, you'll notice fewer fine lines, firmer skin, and a youthful glow. Think of it as a facelift in a teacup. No harsh chemicals, no expensive treatments, just pure, natural results that you can see and feel. Sip on guava leaf tea to nourish your skin from within, or relax with a soothing cup after a long day. Why spend hundreds of dollars on fancy creams and serums when this humble leaf does it all? Guava leaves offer a complete skincare solution, clearing acne, fighting aging, and enhancing your natural beauty without breaking the bank. People who use guava leaves regularly report clearer, smoother, and more radiant skin. The transformation is real, and the results speak for themselves. Imagine joining the ranks of those who have unlocked their best complexion ever. Drinking guava leaf tea doesn't just benefit your skin, it supports your overall health too. The antioxidants and nutrients work from the inside out, giving you a natural, healthy glow. For targeted results, apply guava leaf tea directly to problem areas. It's gentle enough for daily use and powerful enough to make a visible difference. This is the ultimate skincare hack, straight from nature, simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. All you need is a handful of fresh guava leaves and a little time. With regular use, you'll fight acne, slow down the aging process, and reveal a natural, healthy glow that turns heads wherever you go. It's time to unlock your best complexion ever. Embrace the power of guava leaves and watch your skin transform, naturally, beautifully, and effortlessly. The secret to flawless, radiant skin isn't found in a bottle, it's growing on a tree. Guava leaves are your new beauty secret. Try them today and experience the difference for yourself. That's a wrap. 9 life-changing benefits from one simple leaf. Making guava leaf tea is easy. Boil 10-15 leaves in a liter of water for 15-20 minutes, strain and enjoy hot or cold. Take control of your health with this powerful natural remedy. Which benefit blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health hacks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.